Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René at Paris and Aderans. Today I'm really excited. I'm going to do some hair styling with one of our new styles. This is Levi. Levi is in the Amore Collection and is beautiful. This colour is Seashell Blond-r, which I think is just gorgeous. The R stands for a root, so we've got a really nice kind of rooted shade, and we've got that gorgeous kind of creamy blonde running throughout. So what do I love about Levi? I love this fringe. I think this is really, it's fashionable. It's like curtain bangs, but almost from a sidewood kind of part, which brings it kind of forward for this season. We've got some lovely layers running all the way throughout the style. And, you know, we've got this nice flippy style towards the back, which kicks off beautifully off the shoulders. And we've got a nice few layers, and we've got a bit of movement towards the ends, which is going to help us with our styling. Here are the tools that I'm going to be using for today's styling. I wanted to do something quite simple, quite easy, and something quite wearable that you'll be able to achieve at home. On my finger, my little finger, I have put some clear bands on there, okay? So I'm just going to load up my finger with these little bangs. So there they are. First, I'm going to use these bands just to create some ponytails, okay? So nice and loose, very good style to do on a medium to long wig, really, and layered. So just nice and rough with my fingers. I'm just going to get a section, and with a clear band, I'm just going to band together like so. And I'm going to do the same again, this around. So effectively, I've got two little ponies together on this side. So now what I want to do is I want to create 3 ponies on the other side. Is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what I'm going to do now is with these ponies, I'm going to arrange and I'm going to move this hair into the back. So I'm taking the pony and I'm just rolling it round, okay? Roll, roll, roll. So it sits into the middle like so. We see how with that roll that section in there just slightly. Okay, so now just moving this towards the ends, I roll it into the center. With the next pony, gripping that up, and then do you see what I'm doing with the hair? Look, nicely breaking that up with your fingers, and then what you can start doing to create that nice soft messy texture is just piecing that out a little bit with your fingers. Okay, remember you've got the next ponies, so what you're doing is wrapping all the ponies up into the middle. And I often feel like putting hair up in this way creates so much more hair. You know, it gives you the appearance that you've actually got a lot more hair within the style. You know, we know that this is just a kind of, if you like, a medium layered wig, but it looks so much longer when it's put up like this. These bobby pins. So effectively then it looks a little bit like this from the back. I'm going to go back to the front. So we've got a little bit more work to do here. So what I do is then come back to the first kind of sections, and then I can start picking out some little bits of hair and creating a bit more texture. And the nice thing with having these bobbles still in there is that it actually grips the hair towards the ends. So what you can do is you can start pulling some bits of soft texture and bits of hair forward, and it'll keep some in and some out, so you can get almost like a bit of a spiky kind of texture. So you see what I'm doing, and I'm putting it in. I'm just kind of trying to manipulate the shape using some of these fine pins. What I'm going to do is I want to turn her to the front, and then once I have another little look, 'cause sometimes I really like up styles when they've got that little bit of softness at each side. So you see more like this, so we get that little bit of softness balancing through. So then what I'm going to do is I keep looking, so you see me like look from over here. That's so I can see the balance of the hairstyle and see exactly how much I want to keep in and keep out. I'm just going to come across to the side. As you can see, I have my Bosley MD hairspray. So this is the volumizing hairspray. So I'm just going to use a very slight amount of this spray just to help lock the style in. So today I've been working with the lovely Levi in Seashell Blond-r. We did a hairstyle. We've gone with a nice soft up style. Remember, Levi is a medium to short hairstyle. So we've created a lot of length and given the illusion of having a lot more hair within this up style. You might have heard me say about like the Kim Basinger style of hair up, which has these sides down, which I think always looks gorgeous. So tried to go with a little bit of that kind of vibe and a little bit of texture. You wouldn't have to tuck these sides up, you could take them all up, but for me I like that little bit of softness. And to give you a little bit more, this was the texture that we did on Levi. So what do you think? I hope you guys have enjoyed that. If you have, let us know. Please leave your comments down below, or if there's any other wig that we create that you'd like to see us style or you'd like to see us discuss, or any topics at all, please DM us and let us know, because we like to do, everything that you guys, you request. So please let us know. But for now, you've been watching me, Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. I've been working with one of the new Amore wigs today. I've been working with Levi in Seashell Blond-r. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.